Okay, if we see this problem, sine inverse of sine 10 very carefully. So, to explain this, I'll take the new slide. See here, this is the graph of sine x. This is the graph of y is equal to sine x. Perfect. Normally what we write, if we take 10, where 10 will lie? I am zooming it out like this. This is the 10. This is the 10. Equivalent to 10, where it will be? Equivalent to 10, if I draw a line like this, keep on drawing line like this, equivalent value of 10 will come here. So this is the negative distance, because distance is positive, but we are taking on negative. So clearly, what is this point? This is nothing but 3 pi. This is pi. This is 2 pi. And this is 3 pi. So this is 10. This is nothing but 10. So this width is nothing but 10 minus 3 pi. But if you're talking about parallel to this width will be, this is negative. So this width, if you talk length, is 10 minus 3 pi. But the value will be 3 pi minus 10. I zoom it back. So sine inverse sine 10, we write it as 3 pi minus 10. 3 pi minus 10. I'll explain you once again. See, sine inverse of sine x. Normally what we studied, sine inverse of sine x, sine 10. Where is sine 10? This is sine 10. After 3 pi, 10 is coming. Okay. So what is the value of sine 10? Because whatever you write, it must be in the principal angle. What is the principal angle? From minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So this equivalent value within the principal angle will be this point. So what is this point then? This is nothing but, this one is 3 pi minus 10, the negative value, 3 pi minus 10. This is the one explanation. So very easy to understand if you draw the sine x graph. I zoom it once again for you. So this is 10 and this is pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. This distance is, or width we can say, 10 minus 3 pi. So equivalent value, this height we are talking, equivalent value will be height here. So when height is, we want this coordinate. When we want this coordinate, it means this will be 10 minus 3 pi is the width of this one. Same width here, but it is x coordinate. Therefore, it will be 3 pi minus 10. Now, associated with this is sine inverse of sine x is equal to x. So we brought into principal angle. It means sine inverse of sine 3 pi minus 10 will give you 3 pi minus 10. Because you brought to the principal angle. So this value lies in a principal angle. What is the principal angle? Principal angle we are taking x, we are taking from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay. Now, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Okay. Other example. Other way also I'll explain you. This is the graph of y equal to sine inverse of sine x. Please write down neatly. This is the graph of sine inverse of sine x. What you observe here? So this value is pi by 2. This value is pi by 2. This is equal to minus pi by 2. Okay, this is the line. Sine inverse of sine x is x. So minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Similarly, these graphs, this is 10. What is the line equation of this one? This is 3 pi. So definitely this line equation is 3 pi minus x. Because negative slope. This is 3 pi minus x. Negative slope. This is x. So you have to put 10. So effectively it becomes 3 pi minus 10. This is also way. If you can very easily remember sine inverse of sine x, and what is x we are putting? 10. So what is this point then? It will be 3 pi minus 10 is the line equation. This line equation is 3 pi minus x. This line equation is x minus 2 pi. How to say it is correct? It's very simple. This point is 2 pi. This point is 2 pi. If you put 2 pi, you are getting 0. If you put 3 pi, you are getting 0. The slope is minus 1. Slope is plus 1. I hope you have understood. Suppose I take another example to explain you. I'll go back to the previous slide, then it will be clear to you. Okay, suppose I want sine inverse of sine 6. Where 6 will come? Pi. Pi is 3.14 and this is 2 pi. So less than, or rather than, I'll take any positive value for your convenience. I'll take 4. Sine inverse, sine inverse 3 I'll take. Then it will be easy for you to explain you. Sine inverse 3. Where is 3? This is the 3. 3 will come here, less than pi. Okay. So equivalent value will be somewhere here. So what is this width? This is nothing but, this width is nothing but, I'll explain you, show you, zoom it. So we have put 3. So what is this width? This width is nothing but pi minus 3. So obviously it is positive. This will also be pi minus 3. So effective answer will be pi minus 3. So this is another way, okay, to do it. I hope you understood. So in this way also, same way if you draw, this is there. This is the line equation. What is this line equation? This line equation is pi minus x. This line equation is pi minus x. What is x we took? 3. So pi minus 3 will come. Right?